enthusiasts! Welcome to our vlog on water pollution.
Today, we're going to dive into the fact on water quality and eutrophication here in Lawis.
Ever wondered why some of our bodies of water are green or turbid? In this video, you'll find out.
We're breaking the science so you don't have to. So let's get started.
So water pollution isn't just trash floating around. It's also the invisible stuff like chemicals, pesticides, and nutrients. Way too many nutrients.
Yeah? Nutrients like phosphates and nitrates, aren't they usually found in fertilizers?
They are, but when these nitrates and phosphates get into the water, they cause this thing called eutrophication.
That's when algae grow like crazy, like?
That's right. But for now, let's just say they can seriously harm the ecosystem and the water.
The quality of water can be classified based on the amount of nutrients found in the bodies of water. This is oligotrophic water. Clear, clean, nutrient-poor. Fish loves to stay here.
Now this is mesotrophic water. It's still a bit clear, but it's got a few more nutrients and a bit of algae. Sort of like a balanced meal. You often find some plants growing here too.
Oligotrophic water is where you usually go for swimming and boating, usually found in deeper lakes.
In mesotrophic waters, on the other hand, you would usually start seeing more plant life.
Finally, this is eutrophic. It's dark, murky, and chock full of algae. It is full of nutrients, and it's basically eat all you can buffet for them. Eutrophic waters happen when fertilizers, sewage, and even detergents all get dumped in a one spot. Algae would go wild in waters like this, but it comes at a cost. Fish and other organisms lose out on oxygen.
Not a cute look for our planet. Trash like this not only makes the surroundings look bad, but it also releases these nasty chemicals as it breaks down.
This runoff water has fertilizers and detergents that make it to our rivers and creeks. Not good.
Imagine you're a fish swimming in this. Would you want to breathe this stuff? I don't think so.
Eutrophication is really bad news for our ecosystem. It's usually like this. First, algal bloom covers the entire water surface, preventing sunlight from reaching the plants underwater. These plants eventually will die off.
As these algae and plants die off and decompose, they suck oxygen out of these waters, creating these, let's call this dead zones. It really means what it says. In these dead zones, fish and microorganisms either die or just move out.
Unfortunately, we're affected too. Water pollution means the water is unsafe for drinking, swimming, and fishing. And it's a chain reaction.
You know, I think the best way we can stop all of this is to just follow those simple environment tips and rules we were taught about multiple times as kids.
You're right. Just like picking up trash when we see it, and disposing waste in their proper designation places.
You could also support our local cleanup events, help the community keep the water clean and stuff.
Just like this, like spreading awareness, like what we are doing right now. The more people know, the more hands that can help us.
Thanks for joining us on our journey today.
We hope you've learned a lot about how water pollutants impacts our local water bodies.
Remember, reducing pollution starts with us. Be mindful of what goes into our water, and let's protect our ecosystem for future generations.
Until next time, invite to see us.
Paalam! Adios, amigos!